my channel Smart Bees. My name is Jyoti. Our today's topic is integers. In my last video, we have done addition and subtraction. If you have not watched that video, then its link is given in description box. You can watch it from there. Today we will do multiplication, division, its properties and some questions. So let's start. Now multiplication of integers. To multiply integers, first we have to multiply numbers, then we will multiply the signs. To multiply the signs, we have one simple rule that we have to check how many negative numbers are there in question. If there are even number of negative numbers like 1, 2, then our answer will be positive. If there are odd number of negative numbers like in this 1, 2, 3, then answer will be negative. So this is very simple rule. Even number of negatives, answer is positive. Odd number of negatives, answer is negative. So in this example, 30 into 12, no negative is there, both are positive, answer is positive. So 12 is a 36 and 0, 130. This is positive. Okay, next minus 30 into 12. So first multiply both numbers, 30 into 12. 360 and one negative is there which is odd, so answer will be negative. Next 30 into 12 is 360. Two negatives are there, so even number of negatives, answer will be positive. 4 into 3 into 2, 24. 1, 2, 3. Three negatives are there, answer will be negative. Minus 5 into 3 into minus 2 into 4. So 5 into 3 into 2 into 4 is 120. And two negatives are there, means even number, so answer will be positive. Our next topic is division of integers. First example, 15 divided by 5. 5, we will cut it. 5 3s are 15. Answer is 3. Sign will be positive. Minus 12 divided by minus 3. In this, when there is negative sign in the numerator and denominator both sides, then we will cut it. Both negatives will cut each other. Now 3 4s are 12. Negative sign is not there because they have cut each other. Answer is positive. Next, minus 20 divided by 5. In this, negative is in numerator only. So 5 4s are 20. Negative is there, so answer will be negative. Okay. Similarly, in the next question, 45 divided by minus 9. So what we will do when negative is in denominator? So first we will write this negative sign with the numerator. We will remove from denominator and we will keep it with numerator. Minus 45 divided by 9. Now we will easily divide. 9 5s are 45. And negative is there, so answer will be negative 5. Our next topic is properties of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first property is closure property. What does it mean? So suppose A and B are two integers. So when we are adding two integers, then as a result, if we get again an integer, then this comes under closure property. Or we can say A and B are closed under addition. For example, 5 plus minus 2. 5 is integer, minus 2 is also integer. 3 is also integer. So for each and every case, in addition, always addition comes under closure property, because always as a result we get an integer. Similarly, in subtraction, 5 minus 2, both are integers. So answer is 7. This is also an integer. So subtraction also comes under closure property. So for addition, this is true. For subtraction also, this property is true. Now for multiplication, 5 into minus 2 minus 10. Again, all of three are integers. So multiplication is also true for closure property. Now for division, 5 divided by minus 2 is minus 5 upon 2. This is not fully divided, means we will get answer in fractions. So that is not integer. Fraction is not integer. So division does not come under closure property. Next property is commutative property. So in addition, when a plus b is equal to b plus a, then it is called commutative property. So for example, 7 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 7. Is this true? So 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. So yes, this is true. So this property, commutative property, is true for addition. For subtraction, 7 minus 3, 3 minus 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 7, 7 is bigger, it is negative. So it is minus 4. So this is plus 4. This is minus 4. So both are not equal. So commutative property is not true for subtraction. Multiplication, yeah, 7 into 3 is equal to 3 into 7. 7 into 3, 21. 3 into 7, 21. So yeah, commutative property is true for multiplication also. For division, 7 divided by 3 is some fraction number or decimal number. 3 divided by 7 is also decimal number, but both are not same. So for division, commutative property is not true. Okay. Our next property is associative property. In this property, for addition, if a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. See the combination, a plus b plus c is in one group, is equal to this group a plus b plus c. Then if it is true, then addition comes under associative property. Let's see one example. Suppose a is minus 3 plus b plus c. B is 5, c is minus 2. equal to A is -3 plus B is 5 plus C is -2. So let's solve it. 5 and -2. We will add, both have different signs. So we will subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3 equal to -3 plus 3 0. Now this -3 plus 5 both have different signs. So we will subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2 and this is -2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So both are equal. So addition is true for associative property. Okay. For subtraction, this is not true. For division also, this is not true. For multiplication, it is true. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Example, same example, -3 into 5 into -2 is should be equal to -3 into 5 into -2. Let's see. First solve this one. -3 into 5 into -2 is -10. One negative is there. Solve it. -3 into -10. 3 into 10 is 30. Minus minus, two negatives are there. Answer is positive. Okay. Now solve this one. -3 into 5. 5 is a 15. But one negative is there. And -15 into -2. 15 into 2, 30. Two negatives are multiplying. So answer will be positive. So both are equal. Both sides are equal. So multiplication is, associative is true for multiplication also. Okay. Our next property is distributive property. This property is applicable only for multiplication. What is this property? A into B plus C. We are three integers A, B, C. A is multiplied with B plus C. So what we will do? We will distribute A with B and C. How? A will be multiplied with B. This is one group, plus A will be multiplied with C also. This is another group, second group. So we have distributed A with B and C both. A into B plus A into C. Similarly, for subtraction, what will be distributive property for this? A will be distributed between B and C. So A into B minus A into C. So we have made two groups, group 1, group 2, and there is negative sign between both groups because here it is negative sign. Remember, distributive property is applicable only for multiplication, not for addition, subtraction and division. So sometimes question is asked in different way, that you have given this thing, you have to solve it. For example, let's have one example. 45 into 8 plus 7 into 45. Now solve it. If first we will multiply this, then we will multiply this, then we will add, then it will be little bit long. So to solve it, we will use this distributive property but in reverse order. First, you can see this is group 1 because both integers are in multiplication, and this is our group 2. These both integers are also in multiplication and addition is between both groups. So what we will do to solve it, we will take out, we will find the common number from both groups. So you can see which is the common number, 45, 8 and 7, 45. From these two groups, 45 is common in both. So we will take out this 45 and remaining things will be in other bracket. So 45 we have taken out. This is getting multiplied with the other bracket. So in this group, what is remaining? 8 is remaining because 45 we have taken out. Which sign is there? Plus sign is there. So we will keep here plus sign. And what is remaining from here? 7 is remaining because 45 is already taken out from this also. So 7 is here. Close the bracket. Nothing is there. Okay. Now this 45 we have common. We have taken common. So this is multiplied, getting multiplied with this remaining group. So now what we will do? We will add it. 45 here. No sign is there between two brackets. Means it is multiply sign is there. 8 plus 7, 15. Now we can easily calculate it. I am doing rough here. 45 into 15. I know the table of 15 easily. 15 5s are 75. 7 remainder. 15 4s are 60 plus 10. So 675 is the answer. This is our answer. So this by this method, this distributive method, we can solve this type of questions easily. Okay. Now there are some simple properties. First is additive identity. Suppose a is any integer and we are adding 0 with it. What will be the answer? If we are adding 0 with any integer, answer will be the same integer a. Or if with 0 we are adding any integer, answer will be again the same integer. So whenever we add 0 with any integer, answer will be the same integer. 0 will not affect the integer. So additive identity is 0 for addition. But for subtraction, there is no any additive identity because in subtraction, a minus 0 is equal to a. But if we do 0 minus a, then answer will be minus a. Okay. So for subtraction, 0 is not the identity. 0 is additive identity for addition only. Second property is multiplication by 0. So when any integer is multiplied by 0, then it gives 0 only. For addition, answer was same integer. But for multiplication, answer is 0. Or 0 into any integer is also 0. Example, 7 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into minus 7 is also equal to 0. So whenever we multiply any integer with 0, answer will be 0. Third is multiplicative identity. Means whenever we multiply any integer with 1 or whenever we multiply 1 with any integer, answer will be the same integer. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay. Example, you can say 15 into 1 will be 15. 1 into 15 is also 15. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. Whenever we multiply with 1, we get the same integer. Okay, that means 1 is multiplicative identity. Next property is for division. So whenever we divide 0 with any integer, b is the integer. So whenever we divide 0 with any integer, answer will be 0. Example, 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0. If we divide any integer with 0 or by 0, then answer is not defined. Okay. When 0 is in denominator, answer is not defined, or you can say infinity. Okay. When 0 is in numerator, answer will be 0. When 0 is in denominator, answer is infinity or undefined. Or whenever we divide any integer by 1, then answer will be the same integer. Okay. Means we divide 12 by 1, answer will be same 12. 1 will not affect this integer. Answer will be same. But 1 divided by b means then this is not equal to the same integer. We have to solve it. 1 upon b is whatever the number is b. We have to solve it. We have to divide it. Okay. So this is all about our chapter. Now we will do some questions. So try to solve it with me. So now our first question is minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So from the property, whenever we multiply 0 with any integer, answer will be 0. No other thought. Okay. Second is verify this part is equal to this part. This is left hand side part, LHS part. This is right hand side part, RHS part. So first we will solve this left hand side part. So how we will solve? 18 into 7 plus minus 3. Different sign, 7 is positive, 3 is negative. So what we will do? We will subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 is bigger number from 3. So sign will be positive because 7 is also positive. So this is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 18 into 4. 72. Now solve right hand side part. So you can see if we will multiply 18 into 7, then 18 into minus 3, it is little bit time consuming. So we will apply the distributive property. Remember what we will do? There are two groups. Addition sign is there and one group, first group, second group. So we will take out the common number. 18 is common. We will take it out. Then we will multiply it with the remaining numbers. From this group, what is remaining? 7. And addition sign is there. From this group, what is remaining? Minus 3. Easy. Next, 18 into 7 plus minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 18 into 4, again 72. So both numbers are same, means both sides are equal. Okay. Next question is verify these two sides. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So remember, whenever you are doing questions, please copy the question carefully. Copy all the numbers carefully with the signs. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. So first we will solve this left hand side part. So minus 21 is as it is. First we are solving this bracket. Minus 4 plus minus 6. Both have same signs. We will add 6 plus 4, 10. And sign will be negative because 6 is also negative. So negative 10 is this. Now we will multiply. 21 into 10 is 210. And we are multiplying two negatives, means even number. So answer will be positive. Next, in this we will follow the distributive property. So this is one group and this is second group. So what is common in both groups? Minus 21 is common. Minus 21 is there in both groups. And we can take out actually 2 also from this 2. But we are not taking. We will solve it with this only. So minus 21 we have taken out, and in bracket what is remaining? If we take out minus 21, then what will be here? Minus 4. Negative number we are keeping in small brackets. Plus sign is there. Plus what is remaining in this group? Minus 21 has taken out. So minus 6 is there. Okay. Now minus 21 is as it is. Solve this bracket. Minus 4 plus minus 6. So both have same sign. We will add 6 plus 4, 10. And 6 is bigger. 6 is negative. So 10, our answer 10 will be also negative. So minus 10. Now 21 into 10 is 210. And minus into minus is plus. So both numbers are same. So these two sides are equal. Answer is verified. Our next question is solve this problem. In this problem, 26 into minus 48. If we multiply this is little bit tough. And minus 48 into 36, this is also tough. So what we will do? We will use distributive property. So These both are in multiplication. So this is group 1. This is group 2. Now what we will do? We will take out common number from both groups. So minus 48 is there in both groups. So minus 48 is common. And other things we will write in other bracket. So what is remaining here? Minus 48 is common. So 26 is remaining here. Plus here minus 36 is remaining. Remember, always remember signs. Now minus 48 is as it is. 26 and minus 36 we are adding. So both are in different signs. So we will subtract. 36 minus 26 is 10. 36 is bigger than this. 36 is negative. So 10 will be negative. Now multiply both, because if there is no sign between two brackets means there is multiplication sign. So 48 into 10 is 480 and two negatives are getting multiplied. Even number. So answer will be positive. So this is our answer. Next, solve this. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. So these both are in multiplication. So this is one group and 57 is alone. This is another group. So now what we see, 57 is common from both groups. Positive 57 we will take out. 57 is common. Now from this group, what is remaining? Minus 19 is remaining, and this minus sign is also remaining because we have not taken out the negative sign. We have taken out only 57. So minus 19 and minus. So two minus are getting multiplied. Answer will be plus. So 19 is only remaining. Okay, 19 is remaining from this group. Now from other group, positive sign is here. From here, what will be remaining if we take out 57? So remember the property multiplicative identity. Whenever we multiply any number by 1, answer will be same the number. So here into 1 is multiplied. It is not written in the question, but we can assume that 1 is multiplied with 57. Answer will be same 57 if we multiplied with 1. Okay. But it is easy to understand that whenever we take out 57, what will be remaining here? 1. So 1 is here. Not 0. Only 1 is remaining. Don't think that 0 will be here. If we do 57 into 0, then this will be 0. So 57 into 1. We have to assume 1 only. So 57 has taken out. 1 is remaining here. Now this is the second group. Okay. So now 57 in other bracket, 19 plus this 19 plus 1. Next 57 into 19 plus 1 is 20. Now multiply 57 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 5 2s are 10. 1 1 4 and this 0. This is the answer. Next question is solve this 7 into 50 minus 2. So if we solve this bracket first, 50 minus 2 is 48. Then we have to multiply 7 into 48. Then we can get answer. But if we use property here, distributive property, then what we will do? We will distribute this 7 with both integers. How? 7 into 50. 7 is multiplied with 50. Then negative sign. 7 is multiplied with this 2 also. 7 into 2. This negative sign is here. Okay. Now solve this and this also. 7 into 50. 7 5s are 35 and 0 minus 7 2s are 14. Now simply subtract. 350 minus 14. 10 minus 4, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. 3. 336. This is our answer. Now take one word problem. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? In this question, what it is saying that initially the temperature is 40 degree centigrade and slowly temperature is getting down. So every hour, in 1 hour, 5 degree temperature is getting down. So after 10 hours, what will be the temperature? So how we will solve it? Initially temperature is 40 degree centigrade. In 1 hour, how much is the change? 5 degree centigrade. In 1 hour, 5 degree centigrade is temperature change. So how much temperature will be changed after 10 hours? So in 10 hours, how much will be temperature changed? 5 into 10. That is 50 degree centigrade. 50 degree centigrade temperature change is there. So initially it was 40 degree centigrade. Now it has come down by 50 degree centigrades. So what is the temperature now? After 10 hours, what is the temperature? So initially it was 40 degree. It is temperature has come down. So we will subtract. How much we will subtract? 50. So 40 minus 50. 50 is negative. So answer is negative because 50 is bigger than 40 and both have different signs. So we will subtract. Minus 10 degree centigrade. So after 10 hours, the temperature is minus 10 degree centigrade. Next question is, in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. So if Radhika gets 12 correct answers and 8 incorrect answers, what is her score? So to calculate it, so Radhika has got 12 correct answers. So for one correct answer, she will get plus 3 marks. Plus 3 for one correct answer and For 12 correct answer, she will get 3 into 12. 36. So for correct answers, she got 36 marks. And for incorrect answers, so for one incorrect answer, she will get minus 2 marks. So for 8 incorrect answer, she will get minus 2 into 8. So that is minus 16. Now what is her total score? Total score 36 plus minus 16. We have to add her both scores, 36 plus minus 16. So we will subtract 20. So Radhika got total 20 marks. Next is Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Means Mohini's total score is minus 5. Though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Means how many questions she has done incorrect. So her total marks is minus 5. And for 7 correct answers, how many marks she has got? 7 into 3. 3. Why 3? Because 3 marks for every correct answer. So for 7 correct answer, 7 into 3, 21 marks. She has got 21 marks for correct answers. Now find out how many marks she has got for incorrect answers. So you know total marks will be equal to correct plus incorrect. So similarly for incorrect marks, what we will do? How we will find out incorrect marks? Total marks minus correct marks. So incorrect marks equal to total marks minus 5 minus correct marks 21. Solve it. Minus 5 minus 21 both are at same sign. So we will add and sign will be negative. 26 marks. So she has got 26 marks minus 26 marks for incorrect answers. Okay. Now we have to find out how many questions she has done incorrect. So you know we have three quantities. Minus 2 marks for one incorrect answer. 1 marks for 1 by minus 2. This minus 2 will go in denominator. 1 marks for 1 by minus 2 answer. And how many incorrect marks she has got? Minus 26. So minus 26 marks for how many incorrect answers? Minus 1 by 2 into this. If we solve it, then we will find the answer. So this is numerator, this is numerator. We will multiply. 1 into minus 26 is minus 26 divided by minus 2. Minus minus will cut each other. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 13 incorrect answers. So she has done 13 incorrect answers. Next, solve. First is 50 divided by minus 5. So how we will write it? 50 upon minus 5. Now when there is one negative in denominator, what we will do? We will write it with numerator and we will remove it from denominator. So negative we have taken in numerator. Now we will divide. 5 tens are 50 and minus is here. So answer is -10. Next, -31 divided by -30 plus -1. In a big bracket, there are two small brackets. So, we will write in numerator and denominator. -31 divided by -30 plus -1 equal to -31 will be as it is. -30 and -1 both are adding. So, and 30 is negative. So, answer will be negative. 30 plus 1 is 31 and negative sign because both are negatives. Now, -31 upon -31. Same number in numerator and denominator. They will cut each other. Answer will be 1. 31 ones are 31. So, answer will be 1. Okay. Third question is -36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So, first we will solve this big bracket. -36 divided by 12. -36 divided by 12 equal to minus is as it is. 12 3s are 36. So, -3 is answer. Divide by 3. Now we will write it -3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Minus is here. -1 is the answer. Next, fourth question is -6 plus 5 divided by -2 plus 1. So, first we will solve this. -6 plus 5. Addition sign is here. So, both have different sign. We will subtract. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 is negative. 1 will be negative. So, here we are getting -1. Divide. Now, -2 plus 1 is -1 equal to -1 divided by -1. One time. Minus will cut each other. So, answer is 1. -75 divided by dash is equal to -1. What will come here? That we have to find out. So, what is happening? We have to divide -75 with some number so that we will get answer -1. Negative sign is there. Means we are not dividing it. We are not dividing it by any negative number. We are dividing it with positive number. Then only in the answer we will get negative sign. So here number will be positive. Now when we get the answer 1, when we divide the number with the same number, then we get the answer 1. So if we divide this 75 by 75, then only we will get answer 1. So here we will divide it with 75. Then our answer will be -1. Next, dash divided by 1 is equal to -87. Whenever we divide any number with 1, answer will be the same number. So, answer is -87 means here it is -87. The same number will be there. Then only we can get the same answer. Okay, -87 divided by 1. We are dividing it by 1. So we will get our question and answer will be same. Next question is dash divided by 4 is equal to -3. So we can write it like this also. This is dash divided by 4 is equal to -3. So to find this number, we will multiply this denominator with this numerator. 4 into 3, 12. And minus sign is also there. Minus 12. This process you will understand in later chapters in detail. So, for now, you just remember this. To find this numerator, we will multiply denominator with other numerator. We will get the answer. Now, next question is 20 divided by dash equal to minus 2. So, to find this dash or this box, we can write it like this. 20 divided by box equal to minus 2. Now, what we will do to find this box? One simple rule is there, that instead of dividing by this box, you have to divide by another numerator. So, this box will be equal to this 20 divided by minus 2. We will divide 20 by minus 2. We will divide this numerator by other numerator. Then we will find this denominator. 2 tens are 20 and minus sign. One minus sign is here. So, minus 10 is the answer. So, in the box what will come here? Minus 10. Next question is, it is a word problem. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degree per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? And what would be the temperature at midnight? See, there are two questions. So, we have to find both one by one. So, suppose this is our number line. This is midpoint at 0 degree centigrade. Above this, all are positive. Means temperature is positive. Below this 0, temperature is negative. So, at 12 noon, it is 10 degree above 0. So, above 0, at 12 noon, the temperature is 10 degrees centigrade. The temperature is decreasing at 2 degrees centigrade per hour. So, what we have to find? What time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? Means minus 8 degree. Here. Below 0, minus 8 degree. It will be minus 8 degree. Okay. So, we have to find what is the time when temperature is minus 8 degree. So, first we will find that to become minus 8 degree, how many temperature changes there. So, earlier it was 10 degree. See, here to here 10 degree. And here to here 8 degree changes. So, total 18 degree changes there. So, total 18 degree changes there. So, how we will find 2 degree temperature changes in 1 hour. Okay. So, how much total change is there? 10 plus 8. 18 degree changes. So, 18 degree centigrade temperature changes in 1 divided by 2 into 18. Okay, this is 2 9s are 18 and 9 into 1 is 9. So, equal to 9 hours. Hours. Okay. Now, After 9 hours, the temperature has gone 8 degree below 0. But what is the time? So we started from 12 noon. You can see the clock. We started from 12 noon, and after 9 hours, what will be the temperature? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9 p.m. So after 9 hours, what will be the temperature? 9 p.m. This is our answer of the first question. Similarly, what would be the temperature at midnight? So, till midnight, if we start from 12 noon, how many hours are there for midnight? 12 noon to 12 in the midnight. One round full means 12 hours. Now we have to find what is the temperature after 12 hours. To find this, what we have that temperature changes 2 degrees centigrade in 1 hour. So, in 1 hour, temperature changes 2 degree centigrade. So, in 12 hours, temperature changes 2 divided by 1 into 12. So, in the denominator 1 is only there, and numerator we have 2 numerators. So, we will multiply 12 to the 24 degree centigrade. So, in 12 hours, temperature changes 24 degree centigrade. This is not the temperature after midnight. This is the temperature change only. From 12 noon to 12 midnight, how much temperature has changed? So, temperature has gone down 24 degrees centigrade. So, at 12 noon, it was 10 degrees centigrade. It was positive 10 degrees centigrade. So, at 12 midnight, it will be this 10 degree centigrade minus 24. Why we will do minus? Because after every hour the temperature is decreasing. So that's why we are doing minus. So 10 minus 24, we will subtract 14. 24 is negative, so 14 will be negative. So now this is the temperature at 12 midnight. So at 12 midnight, temperature is minus 14 degree centigrade. This is all about the chapter integers. Now I am sharing one self-test for you. Please solve it. Answers are given at the end. For detailed solution of this test, watch my next video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.